So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just at Kamulu, and I've decided to visit somebody here in Kamulu. So welcome as I take you to a spot here, an area I think which is no man's land here. Okay, it's an area I think it's no man's land, guys. This is Kamulu. All right. So I'll take you around because we have a very big river here, and the river, like where I'm here, is a building. So I think when this river was founded, you did not have, you could not pass through where I'm passing through, guys. So here, this is Kamulu, which is not seen. Okay, here, this is a very big river, right? Okay, it's a very big river here. So let me try, guys, to show you through my lenses how the place looks like. And you remember that Kamulu is in Nairobi. So guys, I'm on top of a stone, and I don't know whether the stone is shaking, trying to shake, guys. But you can see this is a river, and of late they have been demolishing buildings. So like you can see this building, and you can see far there, that is the Kangundo Road there, that one there. Now you see this building is right into the river. Okay, these are the buildings which are being demolished. This is Kamulu, guys. Okay, so this river, I don't know whether it is called the Kamulu River, but you see it, there's a very big place which is no man's land, and even this one here, and enriched this building here. Somebody wanted to build here, but these buildings are being demolished by Nairobi County because of the disaster which was caused by the rain. All right. So guys, Kamulu, the river. All right. And you see, this building, I think, will be demolished. Even the others which are 30 meters from the river, the buildings are demolished. All right. And here we have got a park. Is it a park of goose? I think they are enjoying themselves. They are very, very healthy. All right. Park of goose. All right. Just next to the river. I think they like it because it's near the river. So it's a very interesting river because here you have got patches of water. All right. And here I can see people crossing, but there is no bridge. Like I can see somebody there with good dogs. Abadi? So he is. Hizo ni zako ama unauza? Oh, mimi mtu wa YouTube. All right. So I've seen somebody with dogs here. So I want to talk to him, maybe. All right. So This place I think is covered by water. Hii mto inaitwa nini? Ujui jina? Na si inatoka na huku? Yeah? Oh, tributary of the Athi River, eh? So this is one of the tributaries of Athi River. Si uniambia unisia umbe pesa ngapi? I'm having a YouTube video which I will upload very soon. All right. Would you like we do some interview with you? Yeah? Yeah? Hata sinaweza kuchukua ukiwaosha. So guys, the man there is with the dogs. All right. He is washing them. All right. So I'm right in the river. Okay. So yeah, he is washing the dogs. All right. All right. So guys, this is a tributary of this is a tributary of the Athi River, and there are maybe so many activities which go there, like I observed somebody washing dogs. So here you have to tread very carefully. Here you have to tread very carefully, but the stones look tough. Okay, you jump, people are crossing through, there is no bridge. Okay guys, like now I'm standing on a stone. All right, I'm standing on a stone here, guys. Can you see me? All right. So these are areas you never see. All right. The park of ducks there, you see that one there, park of ducks, and I'm very fast to find. Park of ducks is there. No, geese, not ducks. Park of geese, right? And then we have small dogs, young dogs here. Are these adults?
Yeah. 7 months puppies.
So guys, let me show you some puppies here. And which breed is this? So yeah.
Japanese Spitz mixed with the golden retriever.
So these are puppies, eh? So these puppies of yours will appear in my YouTube channel. I think you have said they are Japanese what?
Japanese Spitz
Uh-huh.
and golden retriever.
Would you yourself like to appear in the channel? I focus you and say something. Okay. Sawa.
The next video will come with the big dog.
Okay.
We're just walking.
Yeah.
And then we came full of, even we are not walking.
Okay.
We are just pulling up.
So you have many dogs or what?
Yeah, I have a dog cell.
Okay, and where are you located? Here. Okay. At the area is called? Kamulu. Oh, that one there. Kamulu Christian, eh? Okay. So that if I see or I become interested, I can come and maybe have a small dog. Okay. Do they grow big? These ones?
They cannot grow much bigger.
Okay. And are they very tough? You know.
This one has
Okay. All right. Sawa. Asante bwana. So now, that man there sells dogs, and I'm still showing you this wonderful place here, where we have a tributary of the Athi River. Okay, this is a tributary of the Athi River, guys. Can you see? I think some people try to dump here or something, but you try. Okay, because here there is no bridge. People are just crossing, jumping the stones. Okay, so we also try so that I show you. I don't know whether these ones are waste air, okay, carried by the water, but it seems the river is not having a lot of water here. Here we have some garbage, all right, garbage. I don't know whether it is carried by the river or it is dumped, but I think it's not much. Okay, so here you can see I'm going towards the river. Guys, you can see me. I'm jumping here and there. All right. There are interesting stones here. All right. Very interesting stones. Okay. So now, guys, look at where I am. Look at this, guys. Look at this stone. It's wonderful. Now, I'm very careful. All right. Here you might jump and you find yourself in whatever. You might find yourself falling. So look at the river. So I won't dare step the water because it might be slippery. But it's a big tributary, guys. Look at the water here. There is no bridge. All right, Kamulu. And there I've seen now the Kamulu Christian Secondary School is where the dog person was saying he is located. So the river, people cross stepping on the stones. I don't know whether there are any wild animals here because I can see this is a bushy area. But anyway, let me push on. So I've come to a place where it's like a waterfall. Alright? Here is like a waterfall which is here. You can see the river now coming down. The river comes down. And then you have something like a waterfall here. It's not something like a waterfall because here you can see a deep trench. Alright? Quite deep. About 1.5 meters. Alright? And then the water is stagnant there. So maybe that place is deep. Then these rocks, there are trees which have roots. Alright? Like this one here. This tree has roots which go into the rocks. Alright? Alright. So you can see now down there, how down there looks like there. Unaona huko? So that is a place I cannot be there because it looks like the bigger waterfall is there. Okay? But I cannot attempt because I'm not prepared for that, guys. So let me, I think if I end the video there, it is nice. This is a tributary of Athi River. Alright? A tributary of Athi River, guys. You can see it there. But here I can maybe help myself, right? But still showing you the river. Alright? You can see the river now. But here there is sort of some dumping there. Alright, but not too much. I don't know whether it has been carried by the water or not. But there's the place, right? So, and then now I get back because, you know, here we don't have very many people. And I'm new to this place. Okay. I did not get somebody to bring me here. I just decided to come myself. And of course, I'm not saying that it is a bad place or a dangerous place, but you know, if you don't know about a place, the best thing is to be cautious. Okay? And that is what I'm doing. So from here, as I leave the waterfall, that is the way the scene looks like there. All right, you can see that tree there with the very big roots, which go into the rocks. So that is a waterfall there, Kamulu, and this is a tributary of the Athi River. So that river, you will finally go to the Athi River. And I think I'll end my video there. And guys, I'll go back and see you next time for such content, guys. Okay. So guys, now I'm through with Kamulu. I'm heading to the stage. All right, so that I get back to my destination. But before I get back to my destination, okay, there is a vehicle, so I have to give way to the school vehicle. That's it here. So you can see very good fruits being sold here. So guys, we go back, but if I see a place where I can buy chicken feed, I can do it. Okay? But all the same, this is Kamulu, and I've been able to have a view of that tributary of the Athi River. So we are in Kamulu, and I'm just going to the stage. All right. I'm just going to the stage. And you can see people here. Okay. So I'll go to the stage. I think I can go to show you something. Like I can show you the bridge. Okay? I can show you the bridge now. So I'm just about to reach the Kangundo Road. The one connecting Kangundo to Nairobi. So guys, this is the Kangundo Road. Right? So I'll just go on top of the road and show you. Okay? So these vehicles are coming from Nairobi, right? And you know, I understand the people are very, very rough. Okay? So this is the road I'm in now. Good road. So I would like to show you that tributary of Athi River from the top. Okay? Remember, Nairobi is not the safest place, right? So this is the river. The river which goes to the horizon there. The river tributary of Athi River. And this is the bridge. This is the bridge here, and this is the river. So there are some people there, and houses. I think these houses are in danger of being demolished because I understand now, after the rains, you are supposed to be like 30 meters from the road. So let's see. There seems to be a lot of traffic here. Right? A lot of traffic. I want to cross the road, maybe. Alright, I can cross the road. So I'm crossing Kangundo Road now. Alright. And on the other side of this, we have the river again. Because here we are at a bridge. So there's a tributary of the Athi River. Understand the tributary of the Athi River is here. Here you can see some caravans, very many of them. I think there's like a factory here, right? And even concrete posts here. And see, this is the river on this side. And when you look at this place now, this is the bridge crossing towards Nairobi. So I'm going back. I want to go back now. Maybe to get my vehicle. Alright. So we want to go to the vehicle at the stage. Otherwise, this is so I think I'll have to go to the other side. Let's cruise over to the other side once more. Alright. Here there is an interesting church. Solid Gospel. Solid Fellowship Church. Alright, there is a church. Solid Rock Gospel Church. Alright. So let me go now back. I leave Kamulu and go back to my destination, guys. It's checking, guys. I want to leave this place. Those people are just scaring at me. Right? So I want to pass. Go where I'm going. Right? So we can go at the gate, and here along the road there are so many people who are burning meat. Alright. So this is Kamulu. I'm just walking to the Nini. I'm just walking to the road. Alright. So there are some people there staring at me on the side there. Okay. So let me go my way, guys. Fine. Alright. So I look for a vehicle, then I go home. So guys, let me end this video there, and we meet next time. But I don't know where there is a place here I can buy chicken food. So bye bye guys, we are in Kamulu. Alright, we are in Kamulu. Kamulu is in Nairobi, and that is where we are. It seems to be like a busy town. Okay, so goodbye guys.